Today I'm going to show you the Alta Sigma. Actually, I'm going to review the Alta Sigma and we're going to see how's it. Actually, not today. All right, those are previous two bikes. We're gonna do the next videos. We're still building those bikes, putting aftermarket stuff, but today we're gonna talk about the Qlife. This is a race edition. So this company makes multiple different e-bikes. As you can see, this one is my favorite. Reason why this critical model, like this frame is a lightweight frame, I like better than the motorcycle type the bikes. It's huge difference, right? All right, this is what we have in the box. So two reflectors. The pump is nicer than any other bikes I received. We have electric pumps, a bunch of toolkits. I'm going to use mine. Two pedals. I'm going to stick with those pedals. And it says left and right, so make sure you put the right side instruction manual, how to put together, and the charging brake. Regular 5 amp charging brake, I guess. Alright, so now make sure that these parts goes to the hole, the lock washers, and then make sure the brakes goes to inside the brake. So the reason why I put the wheels on, I can put the kickstand down, and the bike is gonna stand. The bike's gonna stand, so I can put the bars in. So if you go to the Qlife, the website, or if you go to their storefront, they're offering multiple versions like 27.5 the wheelbase, or the wheel size, right? The gravel version, like a gravel bike version, or it's the same fat tire. You can get the 29-inch version, like a huge, large ones. Also motors, what I was testing, riding all over the place, I got surprised. Like they saying like 1,500, 1,700 is the maximum hub motor, but I tested multiple motors. Even they advertise like 2,000 or 2,500 watts. The motors, this one pulls really good, and actually you can get the 28 miles per hour the speed, right? The batteries, in my version, you can buy the multiple different batteries. It's a long range. Actually, if you pedal, you can get more than around 60 miles per charge, so that's a huge plus. The front, I used to have like a moped style bikes. I did the multiple reviews before. If you didn't watch my other videos here, I did multiple videos about those bikes, but those bikes was a lot heavier frame, like it's a lot of things going on. But this one, if you remove the battery, actually it pedals like a regular bike, regular fat tire bike. Of course, you're gonna have a little bit drag from the hub motor, but actually Shimano derailleurs and all the shifters work smooth. I fine-tune it to my specific taste. When it comes, I know how to tune it. So I did this so much fine-tune it, so now it's like a super smooth. Like it's very good. Another huge plus is having these kind of the frame, the lightweight and pedalable. You can just pedal a lot of times. If you're active guys, you don't want to just sit down and ride the bike. This is a perfect bike. And the full suspension, like as you can see, you have a rear suspension, And actually the rear suspension a little hard, but it's when you sit, absorbs the bumps, right? So front suspension is lockable, also adjustable. You can feel the tightness. The brakes are cable activated brakes, so you have to get actually like a couple times hard press the brakes. So it's going to be just clean up all the brakes, the brand new pads. It's going to grind down, and actually the brakes is going to be like, as you can see, I'm stopping the bike, like I locking the wheels. So super informative display here. And also the brakes has the sensors. As soon as you click the brakes, it's going to be disconnect the power from the motor. Pedal assist is top notch. Number one, number two, most of the time, if you want to pedal a little bit, as soon as you start to pedal, it's going to add the time. Number three, the speed, like number three, number four, number five, it's just actually goes very fast. So you don't need any pedals. But a huge plus, it's added like a 2 throttle, and also the pedal assist, so it's going to be adds right away. Removable battery is a huge plus. You can take the battery to house or any place to charge it. Charging it comes with the 2.5 amps. It's actually decent charge. Headlights, front headlight is useful, and at the night you can enjoy the headlights, and also the built-in horn. Very loud horn, so you have set there. The tires are like basically all these companies, they install these kind of tires. But if my personal opinion, on my previous 2 bikes, I replaced the tires with the more street oriented tires, so it's going to be a lot smoother, and it actually adds a lot of range for the bike. So the handling, now the handling is going to be very interesting, right? Because the wheelbase is shorter and the frame is tighter. This is best for the city rides, right? Maneuvering between the cars. If you're riding in the busy areas, this is a bike for you. Like, forget about the moped style, the big bikes. My other bikes I reviewed, those ones, it was very heavy, but this one's very nimble. Even the fat tire bike is a maneuverability. So in the city, you can just ride very good. Seat post, as you can see, from the 12 years old, actually, you can drop all the way, and you can lift it all the way up. Even if you're taller than me, I'm a 5'10", 5'11", it goes all the way up. So this is my spot, so I can make it a lot taller. So when you sit down right here, I have a straight leg, so I'm gonna pedaling like regular big bikes. So design wise is very good. So I got the rear rack version, so I can put any, the top case, anything like that. Or if you're putting a lot of miles, you can put another, I saw like the guys doing another battery on the top, so they're putting like 120 miles with the charge. So as you can see, great bike for the price. They're offering good quality, actual suspension, everything is good. I cannot say anything bad about this. Only thing I'm going to do in the future, replace the tire for the more street oriented tires, like a flatter tires, like I did on my other bikes. And other than that, that's it. So yeah, great bike for the price. I'm going to show you how the top speed is going to go on this. Yeah, these hub motors are surprisingly very torquey hub motors. Even 1200 watts they saying. Actually, maybe they're putting more than that. Surprisingly, it pulls uphills and downhills very good. Hope this video helps you guys. I'm out. I'll see you in the next video.